Welcome to BC News. I'm Dan Smith. In the news today is genetic engineering, and specifically in livestock. We're going to go out to the field and talk to D. Clyde to find out what's really going on.
Thanks, Dan. I wanted to dress a little bit more casual. As you can see, I'm not wearing my suit. For, Dr. M. Claude, he's a pretty cool guy, probably going to grab a drink or something with him afterwards. So, what is genetic modification? I talked to Dr. M. Claude to figure out what's really going on the inside. I want to have an interview with him right here. So today we're here with Dr. M. Claude, and he's an expert in genetic technologies. So we're going to ask him what really goes on. Doctor, what really happens when you genetically modify an animal?
Well, I'll show you. So these two backpacks are our two cells. So when we make room for the new DNA, we make a cut, or room, to enter the new DNA. And so we take a trait from one cell, which in this case is a lunchbox, and we put it into this cell. And then we hope that the cell reproduces and produces more and more of the cells with the same DNA.
Thank you for that professional explanation. Back to you, Dan.
Go. Dang it.
Dan.
Oh, sorry. Anyways, thanks for the info, D. Clyde. We'll go right back to him after a short sports update from H. Berry.
Yo, man, for the last time, it's Hingle McCringleberry. Get it right. Alright, now I know what you're thinking. How does genetic engineering factor in with athletes and humans? Well, imagine this. What if someone had the gene for extreme muscle growth? They look exactly like Sparty from Michigan State. We wouldn't want that, would we? No, because he'd just go around killing everyone.
Cut.
Alright, thank God. Man, let's just play some catch. Trey.
You alright, man? You okay? You sure?
Oh, we got smoked. I really hope he's okay. I do.
Somebody get him out of here.
Dude, what are you doing in my seat? What the heck?
I'm sorry. Get out of here.
I'm sorry. What's wrong?
I'm sorry.
Get out. Who are you?
I don't know.
Now we'll go to our advocates for genetic engineering with D. Clydes.
Thanks again, Dan. I'm talking to Dr. Gucci Swagbubble and also Dr. Javarson Lamar. So, what are your thoughts on genetically modified animals?
Well, genetically modified animals produce more of the products we need. According to actionbioscience.org, genetically modified cows produced 2.7 liters of milk, with human proteins. According to scientists at the University of California, transgenic mice demonstrate the potential to manipulate milk and improve its properties for manufacturing and human consumption. According to the same source, antimicrobial properties of the milk, which in cows could reduce infections in the mammary glands and perhaps eliminate undesirable pathogens in the gut of humans who consume the milk.
Alright, well, I know that genetically modified animals could be used to give us more of what we need, but how are they used to make things more efficient?
While livestock's traits can be changed or improved for better human use. According to IPT, the proteins to make spider silk have been put into milk of goats. And according to the University of California, genetically modified animals can develop faster and grow larger than normal animals. Also, according to Zulmio Palacio, salmon genetically modified to grow 4 to 6 times faster for the growing population of the Earth.
Okay, so you're telling me all these things that help us when we genetically modify animals, but what are some examples of things that you have actually done to them to help us?
Well, genetically modified animals can develop faster and grow larger than normal animals. According to Alison van Eenenam, Genetically modified salmon can grow 4 to 6 times faster than regular salmon. According to Peter Weiss, 6 pigs were infused with human growth hormones and grew 35% faster. And according to the U.S. Meat Federation, growth hormones in cattle have decreased the number of cows needed to make the meat they want by 20%.
So just gonna have an interview.
Wait, how do we get in here?
Well, that's not important.
Why are we so far apart?
Yeah. So then.
Nope.
So what's your view on genetic engineering?
Well, Isaiah, animals are being mutilated and abused during these experiments that involve genetic engineering. According to the scientists at the University of Delaware, hundreds of sheep and many other animals were mutilated and murdered during experiments involving genetic engineering. According to the University of California, fewer than 2% of microinjected embryos yield transgenic individuals, and according to the CIWF, cows are bred to carry more milk, roughly 20 liters. These cows go lame and can't walk from all of the weight.
Okay. So now I know what they do to them, but like, what are some downsides of actually genetically modifying the animals themselves?
I know, man, it's touching, isn't it? I know. Yeah, but like the traits given to the genetically modified animals normally aren't even passed on. According to the University of California, selective breeding from an individual animal is not always successful. According to the American Humane Society, in an experiment with genetically modified cows, only 1.5% reached adulthood. And according to the University of California as well, broiler chickens have been bred to be faster and their legs don't grow with the rate of their leg muscles. 2% are unable to walk and 1 to 2% die of heart conditions.
Dude, not the chickens. Seriously, the chickens? Seriously. The
Yeah,
chickens?
the chickens, man, I know.
Well, okay, what does genetically modifying animals do to the environment around them?
Well, there's endless possibilities of things they can do to the environment. Like it could potentially disrupt the environment and increase allergies. According to the Animal Legal and Historical Center, the modifying of animals could possibly hurt the Earth's ecosystem and disrupt the environment, and could potentially eliminate species of plants and other resources by almost 100%. And according to the NEHS, about 5% of children and 2% of adults are affected by allergies in meats, and genetically modified animal meat is proven to increase these allergies tremendously.
Oh, we're still filming? Well, I guess if you haven't changed channels yet, we'll go to TSW with the weather.
I'm Tyrell Smoochy Wallace with the weather, and it gonna rain.
From all of us here at BC News, thank you and good day.
Wait.
Where's Tyler?
Where'd Tyler go?
Where's Tyler? Oh my God. I know, it's touching, isn't it? I know. But like the traits given to
That is going on.